Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Roku. So let's get started right away. Start off by open a web browser and in the URL box type in roku.com and search. Also make sure that you are logged into your Roku account by entering your username and your password correct. Once you're signed in, mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and click on My Account. Once you open up the My Accounts tab, go ahead and click on Account Info. Now, under Account Details, type in your first name and then your last name. Replace it with a new one you would like to change to. And after you are done making the changes, before saving your change, you'll need to go ahead and verify your email. Retype in your email again in the text box and click on Save Change. You have two options you can choose from. If you want to stay signed in, you can choose the first option. If you want to sign out of every other devices you've logged in with, click on this next option. Soon after you are done, you will be able to change your display name on Roku, as you can see it on the display at the top. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, you can go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you've not yet already. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes like this. Goodbye till then.